Upperclass SPB, closely related to Pracht S and Gangster. Upperclass SPB represents the solid Holstein Damline 173 and is a half-brother to the 8-year-old internationally 145 level competing Lirop. His dam A Capitola is a sibling to Helen McNaught's former 150 level horse Pracht S, and this direct dam line has also produced the Olympic show jumper Gangster, ridden by Jaime Azcárraga. This line traces in the third generation back to the full sister of the stallions Capitol the First and Second. Combined with this performance-rich lineage is Hasselhoekstra's Grand Prix winner Comthago VDL, who has also made a very promising start in breeding.